Hey guys, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I love fresh flowers. But there's nothing more disappointing than getting your fresh flowers home and having them wilt the next day, which is exactly what happened to me today. So I'm gonna show you my hack for reviving your hydrangeas, because hydrangeas are especially prone to this whole wilting phenomenon, and I love them and I want them to last for days, and I want yours to last for days too. Here's how we do it. All right, so I bought these hydrangeas yesterday and look at them. Oh my gosh, they almost all have wilted. But fear not, we are going to do a mass CPR on these hydrangeas, and I'm gonna show you how. Here's a quick list of everything you'll need. Now, hydrangea actually stands or translates directly from Greek to water vessel. And so they love water, but the key is that we need to help them get the water up into the flower, because this woody stem really has a hard time taking up water on its own. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the stem again at a 45-degree angle, and then I'm gonna cut a little slit in it as well. So that's gonna really help this hydrangea take up extra water and get that water into the flower. Now, when we're cutting the end, the stem of the hydrangea, little trick, and this goes for any flower actually, use a sharp knife, don't use a pair of scissors. And the reason for that is that when you use a pair of scissors, the scissors actually pinch the end of the stem. And when you do that, it cuts off the ability for that stem to bring water up and get it into the flower where it really needs it. So I have a sharp knife here, it's a good kitchen knife. I have, of course, my hydrangea. I have a cutting board here. And then I have an extra vessel. Of course, you're gonna use whatever you're gonna store your flowers in, and some water that I've boiled and I've let cool slightly. So this isn't boiling water, but it's really, really hot. All right, so we've done our due diligence with our hydrangeas. We have put them in some hot water, and now we're just gonna let the hot water work its magic and come back in a little bit. So good luck, buddies. All right, let's see how these look. They look amazing. All right, so the hydrangea CPR absolutely worked. If you're wondering how long to leave them, I left them for about an hour and a half. I typically find it works after about an hour to 2 hours, so a little bit of patience here. Now let me tell you this, that if you're leaving them for too long, so if they've been wilted for too long, this won't work. But if these wilt again, right away, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. All right, guys, I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much for watching. For more similar tips and tricks, head over to freshnutrition.com. And if you liked the video, just scroll down a little bit, like, comment, or subscribe.